people, mayong gabi so karon tudloan pud ni nato atong afam o atong mga sinultian nga Bisaya diri. So, sugod na mi.
Oink, oink.
Tiki.
Tiki.
Okay.
Kaon.
Oh, that's we're just talking about animals. Langgam.
Lamgam.
Langgam.
Lamgam. Lamgam.
Langgam.
Langgam.
Okay.
I mean, when people talk like that, man, they're envious, guys. I'm not selling anything. I'm not ashamed to say that the women I've had over here
Okay. Yeah.
are the best I've ever had in my life.
Back then.
Rico Suave.
Back then.
You know,
That's
not a
big.
playboy.
Anay.
Anay.
Butakal.
Katakaw.
But to say that we're settling,
Well, that's right. Eh?
Yeah, butakal. And,
I mean, I hope
Mutakal.
whichever one
and
that's a foot game. Okay? And then to look at the woman that he's got. But
that's it?
That's it.
You give up?
Yeah.
Okay, yay. Good job.
Yay.
People always jump.
Okay.
When I get back, I'm going to explore some
Kapayas.
Kapayas.
Papaya.
Papaya.
Yeah. Yeah, that's English, right? Papaya. Batong.
Bato.
That's not me. I'm not going to stop women on the
Pichay.
street or at the mall.
Pichay.
Ask them stupid questions.
Sayuti.
Sayuti.
On my channel, really, is to show you what life is really like in the Philippines. You know, to live over here.
Kamunday.
There's a difference between
Kamungay.
Yeah. You're learning good.
vacation blogger
Yay.
and expat. I'm an
What
expat.
else?
Okay, I've chosen my path. You know, I've got a family, but it doesn't matter.
Patatas.
The things that I do,
Hmm?
you have a
Patatas.
family.
Patatas.
Yay. There's,
But I want you to be able to get a real feel of the Philippines when you get over.
Sigarilyas.
Sigarilyas.
Yay.
If
Money.
in Manila,
Money.
Metro Manila, anywhere, and you have immigration issues,
So money.
I would go to the main
Money.
office. Like I
Peanut.
told you. I was
Money.
shocked. I had no idea. See, I was supposed to leave today,
What else?
but I didn't think that I was going to
Pipino.
with the sales.
Filipino.
Then I had to do an extension.
Pipino.
Pipino.
Yay. Very good. That Filipino. Okay. Okra. Oh, you know.
Okra.
But shit, I got two things done yesterday. Had I known it was gonna
Patula.
Patula.
Papula. Patu.
Patula.
La. Yeah. Say that again.
Patula.
Yeah. Patula.
I'll probably holler at Buddy Cos if he's
Buyabano.
got a chance.
Boyambano.
Buyabano.
Boyambano.
Manga.
Manga.
Check out if you
Balinbin.
eat and
Balimbin.
Yeah.
before I leave.
Saging.
Saging.
You come home to me. I feel strange leaving here. I don't know about you.
Asukar.
I've been here a long time.
Asukar.
Yeah.
It really,
Toyo.
Toyo.
I feel strange to have to leave.
Suka.
Suka.
On 3 to 4 weeks.
Suka.
You know,
Yeah, that's considered.
I'll be back. I just don't want the drama over there. It's always drama. It's always something going on over there. I'm just relaxing now.
That is
Rolling
it.
at the gym.
Okay, that's it. Surrender na akong gitudloan. Okay, thank you for watching.
Yay.
See if